Meaning of firepower.
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 Firepower. Firepower refers to the destructive capacity of weapons, especially firearms. It is measured by the amount and type of ammunition that can be delivered accurately within a given time period. The greater the firepower, the more damage can be inflicted upon the intended target, and the higher the likelihood of success in combat situations. Firepower is essential for military forces during battles to overcome enemy resistance. It can also be used to intimidate adversaries and deter potential threats, contributing to strategic advantages on the battlefield.